soda. You just put in. Oh. Nice, pero hindi masyadong cold. Maybe like this. Shake this like this first. Maybe ganyan. Yes, so. So I'm pretty sure these are all syrups, but it's good for 55 pesos. Refreshing if it's cold. Green apple is pretty nice. It's tangy, pero hindi siya very sweet. Because their default is nata for the add-on. Lemon is also okay. But I prefer green apple. For the first time, I didn't prefer lemon much, but I like lemon always. Well, in this case, apple wins. It's nice and better than soft drinks like Coke, kasi it has a very good flavor. Although this is, of course, for sure, syrup yan. Hindi yan fresh apple or fresh lemon. And with soda, so that's like maybe but still, yeah, it's okay. For 55 pesos each, it's a very nice option to cool yourself down. Now, let's get to the main event, which is their French vanilla. It's nice and foamy. So let's just shake it like that. They have a very good packaging. I mean, kasi most of the time when stores are cheap, they don't really do like this. So it's a nice one, kind of new for me, who always orders Panda. So for a cheap option, it's a good packaging. Packaging is good. Anyways, this is French vanilla. So let me just take a water to clean my palette. And it's lukewarm water. Ayan. So sana hindi sumakit yung tiyan ko, no? Kasi nagsoda tapos kape. But anyways, tada! This is how much? 145, I think. For the price, It's average. So. Mm, it's not bad. But what I was looking for French vanilla is, I think it's okay. Pero compared to other French vanillas, for now, around me, ano, it somehow hit the spot. Alam mo yun? Like, I can feel the coffee. I can feel the cream. It's really French vanilla taste. Pero for somehow, parang may hindi ko alam kasi maybe they're using commercial products. That's why it tastes somehow very commercial. Pero kasi, 'di ba, for the price naman, I think it's a good one. If you're like really coffee lover and you know the difference of the taste ng coffee. So this one has coffee base. Refreshing pa rin naman siya. It's a good one. Hindi siya ice lang. That's a nice, parang worth for the price. Taste quality, it's not very, I would say it's not that luxurious. Hindi. It's not very legit, pero legit somehow. How do you say that? Pero ayun. And this hot afternoon, yung sweetness also is hindi siya very sweet, pero kasi I was expecting a very sweet when it comes to French vanilla. Yeah, I was expecting a little bit sweeter maybe, pero this taste is just right talaga. Like, how do you say it ba? Parang sakto lang, ganyan. Pwede na, ganyan. Hindi mo pwedeng sabihin na bad. It doesn't taste bad. It's not bad. Kasi, it tastes French vanilla talaga. Pero for some reason, it's like, it's not that richer, it's not that thicker in terms of yung quality ng coffee. Maybe nga kasi they're using commercialized coffee products or commercialized products, like hindi ganun ka ganun ka, I don't know, basta yun, alam niyo na yun. So sa mga anong name ng restaurant? Odyssey Cafe and Restaurant. So maybe I'll go one of these days ito, para next time naman is we'll see how it looks like, this store, no? And yeah, for the people around General Trias, pag-order kayo in Foodpanda, their prices are really nice. You might wanna consider, and based on their products sa tatlong to, I would say it's worth the price, worth your money. Yeah, I haven't tried their food yet, pero ayun, sana nga hindi sumakit yung tiyan ko kasi soda coffee. I'm really craving for something very refreshing kasi it's so hot. So ayun, pasensya na sa tsura ko kasi I'm from the room. I just went down to get my order. Okay naman talaga. Okay din talaga. Sana lang hindi ako maasid. Bye-bye. Rate 1 to 10. 10 is the highest. It's 7. Bye-bye.